This video is about one of the best Forex account management service. In this video, I'll be showing you the last week results of our account management service. If you are looking for a professional account management service, then guys, this video is specially for you. This video is divided into two main parts. First, I'll show you the last week's profits and withdrawals of my some clients along with their MT5 accounts. Second, I'll answer some common questions like what is account management and what are the daily or weekly returns and how a new client can join and what are the chances of loss. Before starting the video, if you want to join our Telegram channel, open any Telegram chat and right here at the rate MFCATIF and send the message. Now it's a clickable link. Click here and you will be on the right channel and you can join it from here. So guys, let's start the first part of the video. I have write down the data of my 6 to 7 random clients and these are not complete results because it's not possible for me to open every single account. So first I'll show you each client's details one by one on the notepad and then I'll show you the MT5 account of that client. So guys, in the last week, this was one of my client and his deposit was $1,100 and his last week profit is $1,176 and that is 107% profit. And this is the account of client number 1 and you can see his last week profit which is $1,176 and his deposit amount is $1,100. This is another client and his deposit was $800 and his last week profit is $768 and that is 96% profit. And this is the account of client number 2 and you can see his last week profit which is $768 and his deposit amount is $800. This is another client and his deposit was $3,420 and his last week profit is $2,804 and that is 82% profit. And this is the account of client number 3 and you can see his last week profit which is $2,804 and his deposit amount is $3,420. This is another client and his deposit was $7,780 and his last week profit is $33,924 and that is 436% profit. And this is the account of client number 4 and you can see his last week profit which is $33,924 and his deposit amount is $7,780. This is another client and his deposit was $16,000 and his last week profit is $22,217 and that is 139% profit. And this is the account of client number 5 and you can see his last week profit which is $22,217 and his deposit amount is $16,000. So guys, this is another client and his deposit was $1,576 and his last week profit is $2,067 and that is 131% profit. And this is the account of client number 6 and you can see his last week profit which is $2,067 and his deposit amount is $1,576. So guys, this is another client and his deposit was $4,655 and his last week profit is $9,960 and that is 214% profit. And this is the account of client number 7 and you can see his last week profit which is $9,960 and his deposit amount is $4,655. So guys, now let's move to the second part of the video and let's discuss some frequently asked questions. So guys, I have write down some frequently asked questions and these are 9 questions and the question number 1 is what is account management and how does it work? This is very basic question but there are also some beginners in the channel and they want to know about it. So account management is a way or a process in which a client sends his trading accounts details to a professional trader or account manager and account manager trade on the client's account and he makes safe profits and they divide the earned profit. So in the simple words, for the account management service, you have to send me the login details of your MT5 account and I'll trade on your account and when I'll open the trade in my personal account, I will also open the trade in your account and the earned profit will be shareable between us. I have been trading since 2016 and I have a lot of experience in trading. I am a professional trader and I use some premium tools and indicators that help me to find sniper and safe entries. So guys, getting my account management service can be one of the best option for you to achieve safe and consistent profits. So guys, the question number 2 is what is expected daily profit? So guys, our daily expected target is around 10 to 20%. It depends on market condition. Sometimes we will have 2 or 3 trading setups in the single day, and sometimes we will have no entry in the whole day. So guys, our daily target will be around 10 to 20%. If you are expecting big profits, then guys, this account management service is not for you and you can leave it. But if you are happy with small and consistent profits, then guys, this account management service is perfect for you. So guys, the question number 3 is, what is minimum account balance to start? So guys, the minimum is only $500 to join us. If you have a real account on any trusted broker with the minimum balance of $500, you can join us. So guys, the question number 4 is, I am ready to join, how to start? So guys, if you are interested or ready to join our account management service, you should have a real MT5 account on any trusted broker with the minimum deposit of $500. Just send me the login details of your MT5 account in my Telegram inbox so we can start. By the way, my recommended brokers are XM Global and XNES. I will drop the link of these brokers in the description of this video so you can create your account. Don't forget to enter my partner code, and guys, it's not my advice to join these brokers. I'm just sharing my opinion and I'm just sharing my past experience. So guys, the question number 5 is, what is profit sharing percentage? So guys, profit sharing percentage is 50-50%. From the total earned profit, 50% will be your profit share and 50% will be mine profit share. Let's suppose your account size is $1,000 and we make a profit of $200, then $100 will be your profit share and $100 will be mine profit share. Similarly, if your account size is $10,000 and we make a profit of $2,000, then $1,000 will be your profit share and $1,000 will be our profit share. Hopefully you got it clearly. So guys, the question number 6 is, when will we share our profit, daily or weekly? So guys, profit sharing will be done after every 10% profit. Sometime we will make 20 to 30% profit in the single day, and sometime we will have no entry for whole the day. So when we will make 10% profit in your account, we will do profit sharing. So guys, the question number 7 is, how will I send you your profit share? What are the payment methods? Okay guys, you can send me my profit share by using crypto wallets like Bitcoin, USDT TRC20 or using USDT BEP20, and you can also send me using Binance Pay ID. Mostly my clients are using crypto wallets to send me my profit share. So guys, the question number 8 is there any chances of losing money or account washout, and is there any refund in case of a loss? So guys, first of all, there are very low chances to lose the money or account washout because we follow risk management and we trade with proper money management, and we take a risk of 2.5% per entry and we catch minimum 1 to 4 risk to reward ratio. That's mean with the risk of 2.5%, we will make 10% profit on every entry. So guys, let's imagine we continuously lose 8 trades, and after 8 losing trades, we only win 2 trades, so we will be at break even. Means to say that we will lose 20% on 8 losing trades and we will make 20% on only 2 winning trades. But guys, if we talk about refund, so guys, there is no refund or guarantee on loss. As you know, the profit and loss both are part of the business. But guys, you don't need to worry about that because I'm always available here to help you. I'll not leave you alone like some other scammers block the people and run away. Whenever we will have a loss or drawdown, we will cover our previous loss first before any next profit sharing. And guys, as I told you, we will risk around 2% or 2.5% per entry, and we will follow our risk management. But we will have the authority to utilize full margin because sometimes a highly confirmed setup appears in the market with the multiple confirmations. So this is the great opportunity for us to make big profits by increasing our risk on this type of golden setups. So guys, you don't need to worry about that. I will handle your account same as my own account, and I will do what's best for us. So guys, the question number 9 is the last question, and the question is, I'm already scammed by someone, how can I trust you? So guys, it's a very important question because there are a lot of scammers and fake account managers on the social platforms, and they are scamming with the people by using big lots without following the risk management. And maybe they will give you some big profits, but they can't make consistent and long-term profits. And one day they will blow your account by taking high risk on your account. And guys, they don't care about clients' hard-earned money. So now the question is that, how can you trust on me? So guys, it's not easy to trust someone again But let's talk about the scenario if you trust me. Number 1, this time your account will be traded by someone who is a professional trader and he is trading with proper money management and risk management. Number 2, our risk to reward ratio is perfect for consistent growth. Means we catch 1 to 4 risk to reward ratio. That's mean our profit is 4 times bigger than our risk amount. Every winning trades gives us 10% profit and daily you can expect 10 to 20% profit. So guys, if you are expecting big profits from us, then it's not for you and you can leave it. But if you are happy with small and consistent profits, then guys, this video and this account management service is perfect for you. Number 3, you can check the history and performance in our Telegram channel, which will assure you about us. And then guys, you will be able to trust us. So guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to like the video. And that's it for today's video. See you in the next video.